How to change password on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can change password on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up settings. For that, click on the search icon and in the search bar search for settings. Once you have opened up settings, head towards your left hand side and from this menu bar you have to click on accounts. And under accounts, scroll down a bit and there is the sign in option. You have to click on it. Now head towards password section and click on it. And there is this change button. You have to click on it. After that, you have to enter your current password. Type in your current password, then tap on next. And on the next interface, you will get an option to change your password. So type in your new password, confirm it, and you may be asked to enter your password hint also. So type in that, then tap on save, and with that your password will be changed. And that's the way to change password on Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.